How to manage notification in Badoo. Want to control what notification you get from Badoo? Let's manage them in just a few steps. Open the Badoo app and tap your profile icon at the bottom right. Tap the gear icon to open settings. Now go to the notification. Tap account preference and scroll down and find notification. Tap it to see all notification option. Now choose what you want. Toggle on or off for notification like message, matches, liked you, profile visitor, favorite you, gifts, profile tip, promos and previews, resorts and surveys. And here's the pro tip. You can customize it so you only get important alerts and avoid spam. And that's it. Now your Badoo notifications are totally under control. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video, and thank you for watching.